Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. I post videos every Sunday and Wednesday and yeah, I hope you like this video. So today's Saturday the 20th I think, and tomorrow is Father's Day and also the day I post. So I thought it would be a really fun idea to make Father's Day cookies or Father's Day themed cookies. So that's what we're gonna do today, and I thought I would bring you along with me. So I found a recipe online and I just wrote it down because I film on my phone, and then I will try and remember to link the recipe down below. I really will try. And I will also decorate the cookies once they are cooled down. And yeah, I think it's gonna be a really fun video. Okay, so I've got all my recipes here. It says to sift together the flour, baking powder and salt. So I'm gonna do that quickly. Ooh. Oh! Yeah, that's why you're not supposed to do it like that. I don't know what to do now. Okay, so that wasn't really clever. I managed to get most of the flour back into the bag. But everything is full of flour right now. But we're gonna carry on as if nothing happened. Because nothing happened. So that's one. I'm using a spoon to scoop it in this time. We learn from our mistakes and we live through it. Mistakes are there to be made. Because how else are you gonna learn? Michne, keep telling yourself that. Okay, let's just sift through this quickly. We need 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder. Why 3/4? Why not just a teaspoon? Why? I don't get it. But we're gonna follow the recipe. So I actually have 1/4 of a teaspoon. So we're just gonna add 3 of that. 1, 2, 3. And 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. And just a little bit extra for good luck. Whatever. And we're gonna sift this and set it aside. Oh my goodness, look at this mess. Anyway, I'll clean afterwards. There's no time to clean right now. The recipe actually says to beat this stuff with an electric mixer. But I didn't have one. So I'm gonna go old school and I'm gonna use this. It's gonna take forever. Am I even doing it right? No, we need to take the butter and the sugar, not the eggs and the sugar. They say a cup of butter, but I hate measuring butter in cups. I really don't like it. It doesn't feel... Oh, and it's so hard. I accidentally put it in the fridge. So that's not very clever. But I'll just maybe pop it in the microwave for a few seconds. I'll be right back. Okay, butter is in, and we need a cup of sugar. I didn't even tell you what cookies we're making. Well, I guess after I said that I said you probably guessed I'm making sugar cookies. But because my measuring cup is full of butter, I'm just gonna use this quarter cup and just put 4 of them in. To make a whole cup, there's a little bit of a math lesson for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so my problem is I need to mix this until it's like creamy and fluffy, and this is what I'm working with. So I don't know if I should use a wooden spoon or if I should use the whisk. Let's use both. Let's see how this goes. Let's go for the wooden spoon. Just until everything's mixed up. I'll be right back when this is creamy. I think I'm gonna lose an arm or something, it's so hot. And I'll check in with you when I'm done with this, because this is gonna take forever. Okay, I'm gonna say this is light and fluffy enough, because I feel that way. Add egg and milk and beat to combine. Okay, so it is 1 egg, and a tablespoon, but I only have half a tablespoon, so again I'm going to use 2 of this. 1, 2. Okay. Okay, that's combined. So gradually add flour and beat till mixture forms a dough. I'm just gonna do what they say. My arm is breaking off, my hand is breaking off. I need an electric mixer. Okay guys, I think this looks like cookie dough. So you're supposed to wrap it in waxed paper, but I don't have enough of that. So I'm just gonna use cling wrap. You divide it in half and then you put it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. So I'm gonna do that now, and then after 2 hours we'll roll it out and cut some shapes. So I'm gonna make my dad some of these cookies, and I'm also gonna make a package type of thing for Yanku's father. Oh my goodness. And then we'll probably just go drop it off there. We'll see. We'll see what happens. didn't get is everything is starting to open up in South Africa now. You can even go to a restaurant, you can even go to the movies. I don't know how they expect people to eat though, because you still have to have your mask on. But you can go to the shops, you can go to the movie, you can go to a restaurant, you can, I don't know, you can do almost everything. You can even go to the hairdressers and nail salons and stuff like that. But you still can't go to see your family. And please correct me if I'm wrong, because I would love to see my family again. But as far as I know, you still can't see your family. And I don't think that doesn't make sense, because I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator now. But I have to say, I'm moaning about this whole family thing now. But I have to say I am very grateful that I can still see my father tomorrow, and I still had Mother's Day with my mom. So I am grateful for that, but it's just the logic behind all this stuff opening and still not being able to see your family just doesn't make sense to me. But anyway, I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator now, and then after this, I'll roll it out and cut some shapes, and I'll show you what I do with it. And then we'll ice as soon as everything is baked and cooled down. Yeah. Okay, so 2 hours have passed. I've got my first half of the dough. I just sprinkled the countertop with some icing sugar or powdered sugar, or whatever you want to call it, because the recipe says I have to. But I only have 1 packet of powdered sugar, and I still need to make the icing. So I did half powdered sugar, half flour, and hopefully it works. So I'm just going to put this down, maybe tap some on here. Okay, and then we're going to roll it out. It says 1/4 of an inch thick, but I don't know my inches, I only know centimeters. I should probably look it up. Okay, so apparently 1/4 of an inch is like half a centimeter, 0.6. I didn't know about this though. It's not very elastic. Okay, dough is rolled out. I don't know if it's stuck to the counter. Might be a little bit, but we'll figure it out as we go. So I've got this cookie cutters. I'm going to use a star, a circle, and then, oh goodness, and then for the heart, the heart I'm going to do I love, and then D and an A. So I'm going to spell that with that. So let's do that first and see how it goes. Okay. Love. That one stuck a little bit. D. I didn't even make a whatever. A. D. Okay. I'm just gonna use this. Oh, I didn't. Baking paper on the. There's just stuff everywhere. Bad. It doesn't stick that bad. That much. Who knows? Okay, so I'm gonna put this in the oven this is what I'm going to be doing mostly, except for the letters. So I'm just going to be cutting out some maybe not hearts, some stars and circles, bake them, and then I will see you when I decorate them, because that's the most fun part and probably the part that you are all waiting for anyway. So yeah, let's do this. I need to switch on this oven. Okay guys, the cookies have cooled down. I made the icing. I just made normal royal icing, nothing special. And to be honest with you, I wanted to give it a try before I start recording, because I can't remember if I've done royal icing before or decorated anything with royal icing. But I decided we are not fake. We are real on this channel. So I'm not gonna pretend to be good at something without trying it with you guys first. I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, let's start icing. Okay, to be honest with you, the green is not really the color I was going for. I was going for more of a light green. But this is what we're working with. There's nothing we can do about it now. We are not going to waste icing just because it's darker than we wanted. So this eye, I'm going to do black. I've also just got this Ziploc bags, because I did have so many icing bags, piping bags. And just gonna make the tiniest hole. Okay. First one done. I don't really know where to put it after I opened it. Oh no. It's not that runny. But yeah. Maybe not the best, but it could have gone worse. And it's the idea that counts, right? Oh, nobody's gonna watch this anymore. Guys, I'll try to do better. This is the first time that I'll do something like this. So don't give up on me yet. If you're even still watching. Comment down below if you're still watching. The letters are done. And now I need to find the heart. Up. I love that. How cute is that? So that's the first few cookies done. I don't know where to put it. I'm just going to put it to the side to dry, because apparently it will. And then I thought to maybe make one like this. No, this one is an ugly one. Let's do this one. And then we'll make this one blue. Okay, not the prettiest store, but also not the ugliest, so I'm happy. Looks like a badge or something. Anyway, we'll go with it. And then maybe with a black we do number 1 dad or something like that. Or just the number 1. How's that? Not too bad, right? And then we'll do a little mustache. We'll try. It's so wrong. It's gonna look like lips. It doesn't even look like a mustache. Or it kind of does. I don't know. Okay, since it is going so good, I'm gonna sarcasm. I'm gonna attempt to try and make a shirt with a tie. I think it's really cute. I got this all too big. Okay guys, so this is the cookies that I made. The rest I'll just ice plain colors, nothing fancy. So yeah, this is it. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe and comment down below what you enjoyed and which cookie is your favorite. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.